Today we are taking a look at the r.e.m Beauty Wicked for Good collaboration brush. Now this is branded for Wicked, and actually you can see it on the box right there. It has cherry blossoms, it has r.e.m Beauty, and it also has in collaboration with Wicked. Now, of course, Ariana Grande is the owner and founder of r.e.m Beauty, and she is Glinda. So it makes total sense that they would release this brush. They have a whole line specific for Wicked, and this is the brush that is intended to go with the blush palettes. Now I did want to check those out. I know I'm kind of late to the game, but I was going to check them out in person before I picked them up. Now, getting a few first glimpses of this brush, it is very pearlescent. Like, it's a little bit more pearlescent than I was expecting. I was expecting a very like light pink brush, but it's like opalescent. It's actually very pretty. It has a pink with almost a goldish kind of almost green shift, which is actually pretty cute. You know, kind of on brand with like a pink and green, you know, pink and green moment. It almost looks a little bit bronze too, maybe picking up on this color. And then it has this protector on here, which I actually really love, and I save these. So I'm just gonna like stick the glue or the tape back in there, and then like when you're not using it, you can just like pop it right back on the top, you know? So it's just gonna go like that and keep it clean. So don't throw this out. Okay, looking at the brush itself, it is angled here. So this is gonna be really nice for picking up that blush and then, you know, swiping it on. It is very, very soft. I don't know what these are made out of, but I will leave the information in the description below. I wonder if it says it on the brush itself. In any case, no, it does not. I have no idea what that says. I think that just says brush in different languages. It is PETA approved. Great. It is vegan, so it's not any kind of hair. And yeah, that is kind of the tour of this. It is called the Cherry Blossom Blush Brush. And that's it. I just think it's so gorgeous. I think it's lovely. I love these cherry blossoms on here. I think it's super on brand. I am a righty, so I actually don't see any of this information when I'm going to be using this. I think that's kind of interesting because I feel like it's kind of upside down unless you go like this and then swipe it this way. But there you have it. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe.